Have you ever met someone so magnetic and captivating that you felt an immediate connection? A person who, like a magnet, draws you into their world and makes you want to be better? What's their secret? Here are 5 divine habits that can make you highly magnetic and almost superhuman. Habit number 1. Unconditional love. Unconditional love is love without limitations or conditions. It's like the open sky, always there, no matter what happens. This love doesn't fade when mistakes are made, when times are tough, or when imperfections show. It's pure, selfless, and all-encompassing. Consider the story of the prodigal son from the Bible, where the father welcomes his wayward son back with open arms, forgiving everything. The father's love is unwavering, regardless of his son's actions. Similarly, in Buddhism, the concept of metta, or loving kindness, involves extending love and compassion to all beings, without any strings attached. Why is unconditional love so magnetic? People are naturally drawn to genuine care and understanding. When you love unconditionally, you exude an authenticity that others find irresistible. It's a kind of magnetism that isn't manipulative or self-serving. It's pure, making others feel safe, seen, and accepted. This love doesn't say, "I love you because you benefit me," or "I love you because you enhance my image." Instead, it says, "I love you for who you are," and that's enough. When you radiate this kind of love, you attract not only love in return, but also trust, respect, and deep connections. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend." Offering unconditional love allows people to drop their defenses and be their authentic selves, creating strong, lasting bonds. How can you apply this in your life? Start with self-love. Before you can love others unconditionally, you need to accept your own flaws and recognize that you deserve love and kindness. Be non-judgmental. Approach others without preconceived notions and accept them as they are. Practice empathy. Try to understand how others feel and view the world without immediately imposing your own perspective. Show your love through both words and actions. Sometimes a simple "I love you" can make a big difference, but acts of kindness often speak louder. Forgive. Holding on to anger or resentment blocks unconditional love. Let it go, and love will flow freely. Habit number 2. Selfless service. Selfless service is the act of giving without expecting anything in return. It's the purest form of generosity, motivated not by recognition or reward, but by love and compassion. When you serve selflessly, you not only uplift those you help, but also elevate yourself, creating a cycle of goodness that benefits everyone involved. Why is selfless service magnetic? It creates an aura of generosity and kindness that draws people toward you. Your willingness to give without expecting anything in return inspires others and spreads goodwill throughout the community. How can you apply this habit in your life? Volunteer your time and skills to help others, whether through community organizations or simply assisting a friend or neighbor. Listen to others. Sometimes offering a compassionate ear is the most valuable gift you can give. Perform random acts of kindness. A small gesture like paying for someone's coffee or holding the door for a stranger can brighten their day and inspire more kindness. Donate your resources, whether it's money, clothes, or food, to make a difference in someone's life. Teach and share your knowledge with those who can benefit from your experience. Habit number 3. Fearless authenticity. Fearless authenticity is about embracing who you truly are and living a life that aligns with your core values, not a life shaped by societal expectations. When you are authentically yourself, you act from a place of integrity and honesty, not just with the world, but with yourself. This isn't about being reckless or ignoring social norms. It's about not letting fear dictate your choices. Why is authenticity magnetic? People are drawn to those who live fearlessly because they admire strength and courage. When you act without fear, you show others that obstacles can be overcome and barriers broken. Your fearlessness inspires others to pursue their dreams. How can you live more authentically? Practice self-reflection. Take time to understand your values, beliefs, likes, and dislikes. Speak your truth. Don't be afraid to express your thoughts and desires. Align your actions with your values. Make sure that what you do reflects what you believe. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is your own. Gain knowledge. Fear often stems from the unknown. The more you learn, the less there is to fear. Celebrate your individuality. Embrace what makes you unique. Habit number 4. Inner peace. Inner peace is a state of calm and balance, free from anxiety, stress, or worry. It's a quiet mind and a sense of harmony within. Divine beings often embody this serenity, remaining unaffected by the chaos of the external world. The search for peace is ancient, but wisdom tells us that true peace comes from within, not from external conditions. Why is inner peace magnetic? It makes you resilient, wise, and deeply compassionate. Inner peace isn't just about calmness, it's about facing life's challenges with grace and appreciating its blessings with gratitude. How can you cultivate inner peace? Understand what's within your control and what isn't. Let go of what you cannot change. Spend time each day observing your thoughts without judgment. Keep a gratitude journal to shift your mindset towards what you appreciate. Remember that peace comes from within, not from external achievements or possessions. Habit number 5, boundless compassion. Boundless compassion is the limitless empathy and kindness you extend to all beings, without discrimination. It's a divine quality seen in those who radiate compassion not only to humans, but also to animals and even the universe itself. Compassion goes beyond understanding others. It motivates you to help and stand up for those in need. Why is compassion magnetic? It not only attracts others to you, but also transforms you from within. Compassion aligns you with the divine essence of the universe and allows you to be a source of comfort, strength, and hope for others. How can you practice boundless compassion? Put yourself in others' shoes. Try to understand their feelings and motives. Listen more than you speak. Sometimes people just need to feel heard. Advocate for those who cannot speak for themselves. Compassion can also mean standing up for justice. By adopting these habits, you'll not only become highly magnetic, but also live a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Start small, but be consistent. If you loved this video, please share it with your loved ones. I wish you a wonderful day.